Scarable, Monster, Dixon, MC Day, 495 on my mission with you. Let's get it. Today I had one game. This is the semi-final game. We ended up losing by 2 points. Here are some of the highlights. That's our day 495. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And join me on this journey where I got no TE. I'm not stopping until I make it.